Welcome to the Fun Zone.
Hey guys! Welcome to the Fun Zone. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Today we're going to be learning about the human body. There's 60 pieces. There's skeleton, muscles, and organs. Let's open it. Oh, it's stuck in there. Whoa! Here's the body. Here are the feet and the stand to hold up the body. And facts about the body on these 3 posters. Whoa! Oh, he's heavy, and his hands just fell off. Whoa, this is so cool. His hand looks pretty creepy. We have old Baba over here, and we're going to show you all the systems. So first we're going to show you with the organ system, then the skeletal system, and then the muscles on the skeletal system. Okay, I'm going to tell you all these organs roles. These are the lungs. Let me just connect them right here. Oops, it's not connecting. Alright, these are the lungs. These lungs are how you breathe. Without lungs, you can't live. They're a very vital organ. Do you know where your lungs are, Ursula? Right here. Yeah. And you can tell because you feel your rib cage, and your rib cage protects your lungs while you're breathing. And then this is your diaphragm. Ursula, do you know where this is? No. It's right underneath your lungs. So let me just connect it. So the reason, do you want to know why it's connected right under your lungs? Yeah. Okay, so when you're breathing in, your rib cage, well, when you're breathing in air, it needs space for the air. So the rib cage expands, so you have space for the air. Your diaphragm goes down, so there's space for the air. And if you hold your breath for too long, your diaphragm just pops up and lets all the air out, and your rib cage collapses. That's why you can't hold your breath that long. And next, let's talk about the heart. This is the heart. Since I can't really tell much about it because of these 2 bars, but here it is. This is the right atrium and the right ventricle, the left atrium and the left ventricle. And the reason it's on the right side for you guys is because when it's in your heart, it's actually the right atrium is here and right ventricle, and then left atrium, left ventricles. Okay, next let's talk about the kidneys. Kidneys are about bean-shaped. They're pretty bean-shaped, and they're in the back. Turn around, Ursula. This is gonna tickle. It's right here. And then your kidneys, actually, you can live with 1 kidney. You don't need both. But most people like to keep 2. And this looks a lot like the heart, but it's actually your stomach. Really? Yeah, your stomach is not very big compared to your intestines. So this is your stomach. Yeah, the stomach is where the food goes. After that, let's talk about the liver. And there's no gallbladder in this. Oh well. So the liver produces bile, and it's stored in the gallbladder. Where's the gallbladder? I don't think they have a gallbladder in this one. Oh, I think it's connected under the stomach. I'm pretty sure they have it right here. So, yeah. Liver produces bile, and you need the liver to live, which actually is right here under, like about where your rib cage ends. And your 2 intestines, small intestine and the large intestine. So the large intestine is actually reabsorbs the water, and your small intestines break down food. And chemical digestion starts in the salivary glands of starch, and then it happens in the stomach and the small intestine. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Here we have old Baba's brain as well, so we only use less than 3% of our brain. So are you ready to get tested now, Ursula? Yeah. Alright, first organ. So what does this do?
This is the heart.
And what does it do?
It pumps blood into
The rest of your body. Alright, next. What is this?
This is the brain.
And since I didn't mention much about the brain is included in the nervous system, which is the control center of the body. Alright, Ursula, how much do we use of our brain?
3% of it.
Yeah, like less than 3%, which is kind of a waste. Oh well. And, well, what do we talk about next? Let me think. Okay, Ursula, what is this?
This is the liver.
And what does it do?
It produces bile.
Yes, it does. It produces bile, which is then stored into the gallbladder. Okay, Ursula, what is this?
These are the small and large intestines.
Yes, and I'll tell you what the small intestines do. They start, like, the breakdown of food. They break down food. And the large intestines,
Break down.
no, they reabsorb water. Okay, so you have a 3 out of 4 going. Let's see if you can make that 4 out of 5. What is this?
The esophagus.
And what does where is the esophagus?
It's the passageway with your mouth and nose.
Yeah, and it goes right over here. Alright, it is 4 out of 5, which is 80%. You're doing pretty good. Alright, well, these two are a pair, and I'm sure you know these two.
These are the lungs.
Yeah, lungs are helping you breathe, and you can't live without either one of them. You need two. And let's talk about what's under the lungs. This has a complicated name. It's the diaphragm.
Okay, the diaphragm.
It's pretty cool. Not really. It has one purpose to help you breathe. It goes up and down. Up and down, up and down. Which is actually really important. Like, roll, but oh well.
I wonder if it's rubber in your body too.
No, it's not. It is not rubber in your body. It's like, I don't know how to explain this. It's not made out of rubber. It's like slimy. Think of your brain and then think of your organs like your brain. What is this?
This is the stomach.
And the stomach does chemical digestion. It's pretty straightforward. Everyone's like, oh, my stomach hurts. And what are these two?
The kidneys.
Yeah, and how many do you need to live?
1.
Yeah, you can live with 1. That's why people donate kidneys. Well, donate 1 kidney. And then other people can live, which is pretty cool. Okay, guys, this took me a century. But here we are with old Bobo's muscles on. Oh, Bobo just broke, but doesn't matter. I'm not doing that again. This is the aftermath of old Bobo. He's missing 1 hand, 1 arm and hand, his back muscles, and whatever muscles went right here. I'm done. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching this crazy video. Now, let's get old Bobo's stand out and then
Put him on it.
yeah, let's put him on the stand. Oh boy, I have to build this too.
Bones.
How do you build this?
Here's old Baba right now.
Help me! I don't know how to build this. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm not gonna cry. I don't care.
That does not look like a stand to me.
Me neither. But you know, old Baba's just gonna lose all his muscles.
Okay.
And he's missing a foot now, so. Alright.
He's missing.
He's missing 2 arms now.
He's missing a lot of body pieces.
I think the right term you're looking for is body part.
Yeah, body.
Alright, here's old Bobo on the stand. He's not living his most glorious life right now.
I mean, he's already dead.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time on the Fun Zone.
Bye! From the most craziest video. See you next time in the Fun Zone.